Damn. There you go. That was so close. Hey, we're gonna go on an adventure. Gonna go pick up the little sisters and your cousin. Ready?
Watch out!
Let's go. Stretch. What up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Hope you're all feeling balanced. Don't lie to yourself, guys. You're feeling both good and bad in all areas in your life. But you just want to make sure there's more good than there is bad. That's all. If you guys aren't aware, I started this dog clothing company with my little sister. Well, actually, it's not just clothes for dogs, but all the above, actually. From apparel to harnesses, leashes, toys, dog bowls, you name it. And today we're planning on doing a little photo shoot with our puppy friends. Come on, man. Get that on properly. Come on. Funny doggy. You guys have this problem, especially with used cars that you buy? Like, you're filling up gas and then it just randomly stops. And for me to keep going, I have to like find the right spot. I have it touching the top.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was.
Who's that going? Hello, hey, hi. Look who that is.
Hi, Thea. Oh, I guess he's driving.
What the?
Hi, babe. Hi, Mochi.
Yeah, you can put that in the back.
Okay.
Alright, yo, you stay there for now. Sweet.
So then you can take pics of these in your studio.
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect.
Jonah, why are you over there? Why are you over there? What are you doing?
Hello. Who's
Hi,
that?
Hi, Gohan.
Alright. Off to ACAD. Well, actually, the place we're going to specifically is SAIT, which is right across from it, but we're just gonna park at ACAD because I think school is actually still in session. Or at least you still, okay, hi! I see you, dude. I'm here. Or at least you still have to pay for parking. That's all I know. See you guys at SAIT. Crazy kid. Barred vehicles only before. Yeah, no, this is ours. I don't care. Sweet. Hey, what are you doing? Come here. I love how stretchy this thing is. Bros, why are you always pulling? And we're here, SAIT. Actually, this is a common place for people to take photos, but this is perfect. So I'm gonna set you down, and I think we're still waiting on Sunny. But we'll do what we can. You chilling? Okay, Claire, can you hold this guy for a sec?
Show me love, put your body on top of mine and hold me like you'll never let me go. It feels like I've been.
Yeah, this is basically the space. Hey guys.
Jonah, hi. Sorry. Oh, it's okay. Can I take a picture of him for my boyfriend, Jonah?
Of course.
What's our favorite dog? Yeah. That's why I was like, thank you. Thanks, see you guys.
Have a good day, guys. Alright, guys. We got a professional photographer here now.
Like you did that night. I'm so nervous that you'll never feel the same and you'll never find a place in my arms. Hey, show me love, 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 show me love. I'm not
Oh, it's getting ridiculously hot in here. Gohan's feeling it. Sorry, guys. Put that in gear. Alright, thanks for the help, Sonny. Appreciate. Okay, now we're done with the photos for now. We decided to come back to the new garage and just relax a little bit. But also, I've decided I know what I'm gonna do with the Celica. I'm actually just gonna give this thing to my sister so that she has a car to drive. Now, I'm not sure if she's... Sister. What the hell?
No, I can't.
I think she does still need a little more practice driving manual. But I know for a fact she knows because I've lent her my MX-3 when I had that in my possession. And she actually got pulled over in the MX-3. That was the first time she ever got pulled over, was in one of my cars that was uninsured, sadly. But at least this will be driven. Okay guys, appreciate. Thank you. This way first. Come on, this way. Come inside. Come inside. You wanna go here? What the? Weird. Here, let me take that off. Go on. Let me quickly take that off. Yes. What the? There's a Lamborghini Urus right there. Let there be light. Holy hot damn. Never actually seen one of these up close.
Lamborghini Urus.
This is just so aggressive. I love it, dude. Black and yellow. Hey! Black and yellow. Could have taken photos with this thing too. Officially yours from this moment. It's a little dirty, but there you go.
Gotta wash it.
We're gonna go for a quick, oh yeah,
Duh.
it's not automatic.
Whoopsies.
So it is standard, but we're just gonna go for, and it is kind of low, sadly, for her. I may end up taking these off because they're almost like on their way off. We're gonna take a quick test drive around the block and just get her brushed up on her manual skills. She gotta learn this car. I think it's in the center, dude. Right there. In the middle, center console. Right there, where your elbow goes. All right, dude.
Okay. Yeah, here we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna...
Make sure it's in neutral. That's how you know, is if it can go sideways.
Okay. Okay, so this one's the clutch. Okay, one sec. Okay. These things are gonna lead.
Safety first.
Yeah. Help! I'm hungry.
Yeah. Perfect.
Oh,
You're in gear.
oh, really?
That means.
Okay.
Wait. Let's see. Yeah, you're in gear.
Oh
This-
no. Oh, okay.
You have to double check. Make sure you're in neutral always.
So this is okay.
That means you can go side to side.
Okay. So there's 6 gears on here.
Yep.
So, girl, this is on E.
You got it, homie.
Oh, jeez. It's like every car is different. So you have to like, oh, girl,
Yeah.
girl,
Go all the way to the right.
girl, hunty.
Got it, homie.
Oh my God.
Clutch in, second. Yep. Oh wow, you can drive.
I know how to drive.
Okay. Brushing up.
It's just like getting used to this car, right?
Yeah.
Oh, frick. Miss Tara.
And then usually when you go to stop, how do you do it?
Okay, so.
Yeah, all the way neutral. Good for you.
Is this neutral? Why is it like?
And-
how do we turn the AC?
Go.
up
There's
in
someone
here?
behind
oh,
you.
Frick.
Yep.
Sorry. Oh, I didn't, sir. I did not.
Yeah.
Oh, girl. Okay, there we are. Okay, there we go. Okay.
All right, I guess I don't have to teach my sister anything. She can drive manual.
Even know how to downshift.
What? Okay. Yeah, good for you.
Ooh, see that smoothness?
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Well, I drove your Mazda too, so that's what I learned on, actually.
Yeah, that's right. The Sarcee Mazda 2. Wow, okay.
Oh, man, I'm sticky.
We're just gonna, I'll closely follow behind you. Cool, good job.
Thanks. Yay.
What are you doing? I saw a silver Integra. I'm like, that's him. Probably him. Yeah. I'm giving this car to my sister. So,
No,
yeah,
really?
She has this pretty sporty car for her first car. But
Hey, that's sick.
yeah, so she has to brush up on her manual, man.
Didn't you just swap the motor and everything?
Yeah. It's like fresh. Damn, that thing looks sick. Peace, boys! Woo! Good to go. Alright, I'll let her go first.
You're so much deeper when you quit playing charades. Yeah. You act so cool, but underneath you seem fake. There's something sweet about your eyes when you feel safe. You keep running away. Owe it to yourself today. Just try to open up and show someone you care. It might not be intentional, but just try to open up.
Claire, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, that must have been the roughest ride. It's nothing bad, it's not that low, it's just the under tray was unclipped itself and it was just dragging on the
I
ground.
heard, I was like, whoa.
So yeah, it's not your fault. I forgot to.
What, okay.
Yeah, if you can just turn around and you can park here in front. Reverse. Oh, oh, oh. There you go. That was so close. Dang. Just dragging that entire time like that. Oh, that's so bad. Like, you can clearly see it from here. Sorry, Joni. Good enough. 6 speed 2. Oh, go on. Here, you're out, you're out. Woo. You ready? Go on, who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Hello.
Thanks, Kuya.
Yeah, thank you. Clarine took the Celica home. She drove the Celica.
There was that part on,
Celica?
Yeah, Edmund.
Say hi to Lola!
Look, your uncle's there. Who's that?
Uncle Lo! Uncle Lo!
Who's that? Okay guys, I think I'm just gonna end this video. So yes, the Celica is now gonna belong to my sister, but that's okay because I honestly just can't drive all the cars. Actually, if I'm gonna be really honest with myself, I should be purging my cars, getting rid of some because I honestly don't need all of them. And it kind of hurts in the insurance section, if you know what I mean. I mean, I'm obviously gonna still work on it here and there. Probably not to like a crazy extent because now my sister drives it and she lives in a condo in downtown, so if she even wants to bring it into her parking lot, like her underground parking garage, it can't be that low. Claire, I apologize. For her first time driving that thing, it was a pretty bad experience. Well, we have to transfer everything under her name anyway, so I'll just fix what I can, make sure it's super road proper. Other than that, I do have a couple of announcements before letting you guys go. So all of the Ninjago merch that you saw at the beginning of this video, we're gonna be having our first release for that stuff on September 5th. So mark your calendars. This is really for all my dogs who got dogs. Little to big dogs actually, the sizes will vary. And then final announcement guys, if you're from Alberta and Albertan, there is another driven show happening in Edmonton this time, and it's happening this Saturday, August 14th at Kingsway Mall, I think. I could be wrong, but I'll put the poster up right here. So if you're in town, have nothing else better to do, well actually just come by because we're gonna be having a booth there and I'm gonna try to bring 3 of my cars and a couple of my friends are gonna be hosting the booth with us. So maybe swing by, say what's up, and yeah, hopefully see you guys there. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and appreciate you as always for just being yourself, you know. Remember guys, the motto on this channel, there will never be another you. So yeah, cherish your own life. We'll see you guys when we see you. Backhand slap.